Okay, we're back. We got the white one again. We still on 2-cent D&Dz. Come on with some big money. Okay, I need them 30 games. Come on. And I need to be fantastic. Come on, 30. It's up to 1930. Come on. 30 is my lucky number. Come on, 30. 20? I'll take 20. Hey, come on, be great. We got 20 games on a 2-cent D&Dz, 225 bet. Come on with some big money. Come on, baby. I need them 10s to hit. A secret feature to fall. Come on, secret feature. Say times 2. Come on, baby. Hit connect, please. Times 3. Come on, money. Oh, come on. I probably got it. We got them collars. Oh, that's a good hit. Oh, we got corn show. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let's get that major. Oh, that grand. Take it, take it, take it. And then I put another 20. I took my other out. 160 on the other ticket. I took it out. So we... And we have... That's 4 out of 20 games. So come on, let's get some more. I need a times 10 to hit with some big numbers. Come on. Yeah, this is my first game I'm playing. So let's get some good money, big money. Come on, cat. Come on, eyes, go. Oh, that's still good. Okay. This times 3. Okay. We owe $69. Come on with some big money. Come on, eye. Oh, come on, stop blocking. That $100. Big number. Come on, stop blocking. I need it all the way across. I need some time 10. Come on, with time 10. With big number. $74. Come on. Oh. Yes, come on, big numbers. Oh. Well, give me you all the way across then. Come on. Come on. Stop that. Okay. Can I get a 10, please? Go, go, go. Here's something more across 5 times, please. Okay, we got 4 more games. Come on, Let's get to make up. Come on. Go, go, go. This is... Okay. All right, we got $86. Okay. We're gonna play a couple more. And get another bonus, be great. Okay, come on. All right. We're gonna do a 5 cent and we're gonna play it down to 80. We'll play it up, get some more money. Alright, good hit. Oh, we had over 100. Stop it. Come on, y'all, let's get some stuff. Come on. Where's my secret feature at? Oh. Okay. That was $6. Okay. Pot one on this bed. Go, go, go. Why you didn't keep going? All right. Let's do a 1 cent. And... oh, now you want to come. Okay, I'll take you anyway. All right, we're going to do this last one, and we'll come back. We'll be back.